Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, now today I will give you how to adjust the image quality. We know every brand machines has different operations, but their principles are same. So if you want to get the better image quality with that ultrasound machine, and now today I will give you an example. Just show me with my ultrasound machine to tell you how to do it and to get better image quality. So now let's go. Come on here and let's show you. Okay, you can see here. This is that I choose that this convex probe. So this is that abdominal image scan area. Now we know normally we can use some ways to adjust the image quality. The first way, please note, the first way is here. This is that gain value. We know that we can adjust this gain value. This gain value is that you can adjust it values. It will be changed on here. This is that gain values. It will be changed that the screen areas, brightness, and that is clearness. And this is the first way. And second way. The second way is here. Is that TGC. This TGC is a total volume that constants. This is a composition. This is that near field and far field to participate that the whole screen area. This is that. Please note. This is that near field. This is far field. Normally we can set as this TGC. Let's set as like this way, like this line. This is normally we can use that second way. And another way is you can hear it also should also have that frequency and depth and that dynamic range. These parameters all can adjust these parameters. After you adjust this one, maybe this image quality will be better. So it will be like this. So this is how to get a better image quality. Okay.